How to remove facial hair permanently. 1. Lemon juice. Lemon juice sounds too good to be true regarding how to remove facial hair permanently, but it does. You need to combine it with honey to have an effective solution. Having sticky nature, a mask made from honey and lemon juice can eliminate fine hair from your face. Lemon juice works as an exfoliating and cleansing agent, while honey can soften the hair thanks to its moisturizing and hydrating properties. Furthermore, being an anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, this mask also helps avoid skin breakout and irritation. Due to its bleaching effect, lemon juice also lightens your facial hair and skin. Take the steps below to know how to remove facial hair permanently using lemon juice. Mix fresh lemon juice with honey as the ratio of 1:4. Apply it over your face. Remove it off after 15-20 minutes using a washcloth soaked in tepid water. Repeat this routine twice per week for several months. 2. Oatmeal. How to remove facial hair permanently. Being a gently exfoliating agent, oatmeal can scrub away fine hair growing on your face. Commercial scrubs might leave your skin itchy, red, and dry, whereas oatmeal is a natural scrub containing antioxidants which can reduce redness while protecting your skin against UV sun damage. If combined with other ingredients such as lemon and honey, it will make your skin hydrated and soft. Follow these guidelines. Just simple mix half of a teaspoon of coarsely ground oatmeal with 1 tablespoon of honey. Add 6-8 drops of lemon juice into and mix them well. Apply the paste over your skin and wait for 15-20 minutes. Scrub it in a circular motion for several minutes before washing it off. Apply a moisturizer afterward. Learn more: Top 24 National Home Remedies for Hair Fall Control and Regrowth. 3. Barley. If used as a scrub, barley will eliminate facial hair, thereby leaving your skin glowing and soft. Mix 1 tablespoon each of barley powder, lime juice and milk together. Apply the paste over your face. Wait till it dries naturally and rinse it off with tepid water. Repeat this routine 3-4 times per week. 4. Lemon and orange peel. The oil extracted from orange peel is taken advantage in many cosmetic products, which helps cleanse skin effectively. Lemon and orange peel is also useful in bleaching the hair naturally and also removing hairs in several days. Grind 1 teaspoon each of orange and lemon peel. Add 1 teaspoon each of oatmeal and ground almond meal, to that powder. After stirring well, add 1 teaspoon of rose water along with 1-2 teaspoons of olive oil to have a good paste. Apply it over your face and wait for 5-7 minutes. Rub your finger in circular motions for about 5-10 minutes. Rinse it off with water. Repeat this routine 2-3 times per week. 5. How to remove facial hair permanently. This is a nutrient-rich outer layer of wheat grain. Not only is it healthy, but it is also a wonderful national cosmetic product for making a variety of masks as well as scrubs. It can remove unwanted facial hair and eliminate wrinkles and fine lines effectively. Method 1: Wheat bran and milk. Mix 1-2 tablespoons of wheat bran with 1 tablespoon of milk and 1 teaspoon of rose water. Apply the paste over your face, rub gently in circular motions. Scrub until the paste dries out completely. Rinse it off with water. Repeat this routine every day for several days, then do it for 2-3 times per week afterwards. Method 2: Wheat bran, gram flour, milk cream, and turmeric. Mix 1 tablespoon each of gram flour, wheat bran, and fresh milk cream together. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric to have a good paste. Do similarly as the methods above. Repeat this routine 2-4 times per week. This process can help you in clearing dead skin cells, removing facial hair and making your skin glowing, smooth and soft. Thanks for watching and please subscribe our channel for watching more videos.